Hello all, this is Mat 1 Unity Fundamentals Snake 2D game. I will play the game and explain the game. This is the lobby page. The snake sound is background sound. I can mute that because my voice will not be clear. So just muting that. These are the game sounds. Like when I click, there is no sound. These are the game sounds. You got it? I'm keeping game sounds on and disabling background music. Yeah. Two types of gameplay modes, single player and two players. That is single snake and two snakes. We start with one player. This is a game. It has three levels. It has score. It has food, red food, green food. Green food is the non-winner. Okay. The green food we will increase the snake size and score. The red food it will decrease the snake size and decrease the score as well. And what are the power ups? This is the speed power ups. We will try that one. We already have a one power up. Okay, you can see floating text down here. And we will activate now. We seen speed power. We'll see the shield. Okay, when it is shield, we can't get bit by ourselves like snake. We will check the score boost now. Mm, yeah. Score increase from 20 to 40 with a score boost. Generally, it will increase 10 only, and now it is increased to 20, double the score. Check all types of food and red food will decrease the have different sounds as well for red food and the green food it's like a swallow. Okay. For red food it was different. Like something we unwanted thing we eat. Okay. Let's pause here. Okay. And we'll play it. Blue snake has blue lives and blue score as well. And orange snake has orange life, orange score, orange score. For respect to snakes, respect to color. Yeah. Okay. The conditions here are the conditions. Uh, I will explain the conditions here, like how the gameplay will be. When play any of the player, like any of the snake eats green food, it will increase the score by 10, and it will increase the length as well. It will increase the score, snake length as well. And for red food, it will decrease the snake length and it will reduce the score as well. Okay. For speed, it will increase the speed. For the score, it will double the score. Shield, while we are having shield, if we bite by another, if you got bite by snake, then we will save. Like we won't lose our life while having the shield. Okay, and the winning and losing conditions. We have three lives. Okay, which player lost all three lives first, it will lose, and which remains with less will win. Okay, yeah, how the score will be work? like score will be work for each life. If we player has three lives, like in life one he scored 20 and he died, then the 20 will be reset to zero and the new score will appear how much scored in the next life. Okay. If the player, so for suppose blue snake bite orange snake in a row, like without losing any life, three times, then it will have the score as a complete score from the beginning to end of the game. Like because it don't lose any life, it score will reset only for each life. Okay. If after score, like it will mutual can happen. Like it can lose one life, and another snake will lose another life. Like that happens when like, the score will be reset for both cases. The maximum score will be displayed whichever the winner is. For suppose blue snake win by orange snake lose all three lives. Then blue snake also lost some lives in between. So but now he will remain with one life or two lives. So then the maximum score of the lives will be displayed at the winner's field. The blue score is minus 10 only. I don't know. I don't remember what is the score for first life. Increasing score of blue. Okay. Very good. Blue score is 100. So it has some score in the lives one as well. If it is 100 is maximum for it, then 100 will display as a winner score. Okay. Sure. And blue life itself, blue snake itself lost another life. Let's see what happens. Exactly it was in between. Okay. Snake 2 is win. And snake 2 maximum score is 20 among the lives. Okay. Exit. For level player 1, it will like lose condition like this. After losing 3 lives, the game will over. If the score is achieved among the life is this set target score, then it will be win. The set target score for this is 200. I said that one. If it achieves 200 among the 3 lives, any of the life, not complete by itself. After completing this, you will get idea. I'm making it to die, not getting die, but I'm making it. There is a description in the Gita as well. You will understand by that. Mhm. The score is one of the power up is already active, and we are will activate. The error may sound, and snake already has a one power up. Okay, it's applicable for both play modes. 70 is the maximum score among the lives. Like life one, it has a 70, then it is like 30, it is like 20 in the last life. Suppose I don't know exact number, but maximum score among the lives is 70, then the maximum score is 70. If we reaches 200 in any of the one life, not combining all the lives, any of the one life, it reaches 200 or above, then the snake will win the game. Am I clear on this? Just implemented lives, and they will lose instead of the losing game, and they will achieve some score among the lives. The maximum score will be displayed on the live. In live 2 it scores 200, and live 3 it scores 150. The 200 will be the winner score, whichever. But winning is not depending upon the score. Winning is only on the live. Just display the score of the winner. Hope I am clear. I will show the GitHub as well. You will understand. This is the GitHub repository and readme. This is machine activity game. We have two modes: snake player, single player, and two players. Snake functionality, movements, how they will move, and food. Green food will increase the length and score as well. Red food will reduce the length of the snake player as well. Score. Power ups. How the power ups will active. Will they get active by collecting the field item, that respective power item, and will shield from the bites. Speed boost will double or increase the speed. Score boost will double the score gained during the active period of the score boost. Like boost will be active for few seconds, like limited lifetime. In the time, whatever the we achieve, these special abilities will active. Health system, 3 lives. It will lose 1 life by eating itself. That is fun, and score will reset. After losing all 3 lives, the game will be over. The max score among the lives will display as winner max score on game over screen. If match score reaches a set target score, the game win will appear and winner's match score. Two-player mode is the same almost, but here the winning or losing not depending on the target score, it is depending upon the lives. Okay, if the other snake loses all his lives, one snake loses life, the other snake will win. The other snake will lose lives, the first snake will win. Okay, so dead end conditions, win conditions, lobby options, how we start game, how one player mode, how two player modes, how the items in the game, green food, red food, shield power, speed power, score boost. This is my snake one, this is my snake two, directing opposite direction. This lobby page, gameplay mode selection, score for one player game. This is the test, voting test. depending on the incidents or events occurring. This is two player. This is how as blue score got beaten. The score is 0 and lives also 0 and it has all three lives. The maximum score is 50. And the winner is snake 2 and maximum score of 50. Okay. It lost all three lives and it don't lose any life. So the score will be the total score from the beginning. If you lose any life and it will compare with that two life score, like which is the maximum. If it lose three lives, it will compare the three life score which is maximum and maximum score will be displayed here. Okay. It doesn't lose any lives in this and blue player lose all three lives. Then the score is the this one. Maximum score is the equal to current score. Whenever it loses life, it will score will be get reset to 0. Game over when it is for a single player when it doesn't meet the target score. Target score is 200. It reach only scored only 70 points. This is readme of my git and this is the game of my 2D snake. Okay, this is my 2D snake game. See, pause button, how pause will work. The snake position won't change. They will be like freeze it at their position and it will resume from their position itself. Exit will lead to the lobby. This is the background. This is the sound. When I mute sounds as well, we don't get any sounds in the game. Though we eat something, though we laugh, whatever the incident happened, we won't get any sounds. You see, I think we see in normal mobile video games, they will have separate icons for music as well as sounds. Sounds will be game sounds, music will be background music. That's all about my this game. If there is any feedback, I would love to hear. Thank you, one and all.